Please do me the favour of subscribing, please. Subscribing really helps me out, and it helps me find new people and helps me create new content for my channel and find more dealerships and cars to review as well. She have a passion and lets me be able to review all these flash cars for you guys. This guy also runs a mobile tinting business called 4 Tints to You window tinting mobile service, and his phone number is in that photo. Happy Australia Day for yesterday, guys. I hope you had a good Australia Day. I had a good day on Australia Day. Hope you guys had a great Australia Day from Jordan's Car Reviews. Before we start this video, I'd like to point out a few little things I missed out. The car has launch control, FE3 Ultra Sport suspension, which has been changed to Walkinshaw suspension, has competitive mode, and a few other performance goodies on it. We're off for a quick drive in this Commodore, guys.
Just really don't want to put you out too much.
No, fine.
Neither do we want to put any grass on this immaculate carpet.
Yeah. Put my window down so you can hear it. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm reviewing this 2013 Holden VF Commodore SSV Redline sedan in perfect blue. So, let's get into it. So, starting off at the front end, it's got the VF front end, as you can see. It's got the tinted headlights, and the whole front end is black, as you can see. That's the tinted headlight. He's tinted the front fog lights and LED daytime running lights as well. He's named his car as well. It's now called EVL SSV. Just give you guys a good look at the paint work, guys. I'm next to a busy road that has traffic too, so I have to be careful. He's blacked out the Holden badge too, as you can see. Headlights have a black and silver treatment in them. It's got your black fender vents. Car's been lowered all round, as you can see. Stock wheels, they were chrome from the factory on this colour perfect blue, but the owner has changed them to black. And it's got name cane tyres. There's stacks of tread left in this tyre. No gas rash on the wheels, which is a good thing. It's got your 4-piston AP Racing Brembo brakes at the front. Chrome Holden logo cap. Mirrors are a standard colour blue, so they haven't been changed to black. Black, the grab door handles were chrome from the factory, but the owner has changed those to black as well. They're plastic dipped, I think, or wrapped. And same here too. He's got the Holden Racing Team logo on the back window, as you can see. 4 tints to you. Guy runs a detailing business too, so I'll leave his details in the comments below if you guys want to get your windows tinted. It's got proximity locking and unlocking. It's got the sunroof as well. He's replaced it with this antenna, so it gets rid of this big stick antenna, which looks stupid in my opinion. Walkinshaw performance sill plates, much better than those plain ones, so these ones look much better. This car was built on the 10th of December 2013, so it's now 9 years old. Good look at the seat trim, as you can see. It's leather with the cream strip in the middle. It's got the genuine Holden carpet mats. Decent sized glove box, and I'll go through the logbook later. SSV logo here, as you can see. Warning if you have a car with cream interior. Cream gets dirty and marked really easily. So I suggest if you have a child and who's in a baby seat, you get black leather or black interior instead of cream. Carbon fibre dash spears and carbon fibre door spears. It's got your 9-speaker Bose premium audio, which you'll hear when I show you an example of the sound system later in the video. I have good room in the front, as you can see. Good look at the dash. Good look at the door card, as you can see. It's cream with red stitching, and again, your carbon fibre door spear with a bit of chrome. Again, the Walkinshaw sill plates here. Sitting in the back, I have a good amount of room in the back, as you can see. 2 map pockets. Good look at the seat trim. Again, black leather with a chrome strip in the middle. Flip down centre armrest. 2 cup holders in the back, as you can see. Rear air vents. Good look at this door card, as you can see. Yep, this car's lowered all round, so it's not the stock height. I can only just fit my fingers up in those guards. And second alloy wheel. Again, no gutter rash, which is a good thing. And stacks of tread left in this tyre. Get him out, that sticker says. Good look at it from here, as you can see. Owner has also tinted the rear tail lights as well. Again, this car's named EVL SSV. It's blacked out the Holden badge, the Walkinshaw badge. It's got your black rear diffuser. I've got the key with me. matching spare wheel. It's for factory chrome because this car came with the chrome out of the factory, but the owner has changed the wheels to black. And that spare wheel has stacks of tread left in it. And it's got your subwoofer as well, your Bridgestone tyres. To pull the boot down, you grab this handle here. It's got the lip spoiler as well. He's done the exhaust cuss out too. You might be able to see it, but it's just there. This car's also got your front and rear parking sensors, reversing camera. Let's see what these stickers say. Nice. Fuel cap. I'll show you something too, guys. So, car's unlocked. And watch this. When you lock the car, the fuel cap won't open. Just show you an indication. Right, I'll unlock the car again. Now watch this. Yep, that is right. When you lock the car, the fuel cap locks too, to stop people from stealing your petrol, because there have been a lot of petrol thefts over the years. Third alloy wheel, again in black and no gutter rash, and it's got your standard brakes on the back. And again, the Holden Racing Team logo on this side as well. I'll open the bonnet and show you what's underneath. As you can see, this is your 6-litre V8 engine. It's the L98, which creates 270 kilowatts and 530 newton meters of torque from the factory. That is the same amount of power and torque as an unmodified Ford FG Falcon XR6 Turbo and G6C Turbo. And 0 to 100 time from the factory is 5.2 seconds. In the VE Series 2 update, factory E85 Flex Fuel was introduced. With the Flex Fuel, you can put ethanol in this fin. It also runs on 98 as well. This car is the best V8. I also have the best 6 on my channel too, guys. True facts for you. Ford built the best 6s and Holden built the best V8s. True facts for you guys. This is the full review for the best 6. Please make sure you go and check that video out. Thank you. This car has been modified. This is the list of mods that's been done to it. So the engine bay is blue. Fuse box here, as you can see. I had some fuse box experience in December 2021. Close that bonnet gently. Good look at the car from here, as you can see. Right, now we move to the interior. It's got your 10-way electric driver's seat, your alloy face pedals. Good look at this door card, as you can see. Good spot to put your keys here. Roof lining, as you can see, is starting to come down. That's common in Commodores, unfortunately. And here too is starting to come down as well. The rest of it's fine, but it needs to be replaced though, that headliner. As you can see, it's got the factory sunroof. So I've got the key with me. So to start it, you put your foot on the brake, foot on the clutch. Make sure it's in neutral. Now it's in neutral and my foot is on the brake and the clutch. All you do now is press this button and you are off. I'll stay quiet so you can hear it. Stay quiet for a few seconds and see whether you can notice the shaking. Yep, I can notice the shaking. Sure you guys can too. Might not pick it up on camera well, but it's definitely shaking because of the cam. As always, let's start with the build quality. Happy to report, build quality in the VF is excellent. I'm going to give that build quality, let's say an 8 out of 10. It's got your electric windows. This car's done 84,031 kilometers. True facts for you guys. This car's done 3,500 kilometers since March or April 2020 when COVID began. So that is not much. So this one tells you your speed, vehicle information menu, eco information, trip and fuel information, and back to the speed. That's one you should keep it on most of the time, because in a car like this, it is very easy to break the speed limit, and it's very important, do not speed. Because guys, did you know speeding fines in Queensland are now over $1,000. Yep, you heard that right. Speeding fines in Queensland are now over $1,000. So if you don't want to be one of those people copping the $1,000 fine, then do not speed. Heads up display, as you might be able to see. Revs, your speed, your speed, and has competition mode too. So when you're in that competition mode, it has shifts lights that come up like a V8 supercar, and speed and the degrees outside. Doesn't tell you what gear you're in, being a manual. This car's got 6 airbags for your protection. Moving here It's got auto headlights and auto wipers. Heads up display controls. You can adjust the height as well. Quickly show you that now. It's got your front fog lights too, being the SSV Redline indicators. Come up on the heads up display as well. Steering wheel mounted audio controls, which I'll get to when I show the infotainment system. This car's got cruise control. It's got full collision alerts as well, with the head up warning, which you might be able to see. So you can set a gap alert. Lane departure warning as well. So it tells you if you're drifting outside of your lane. Has it? So it's got your rear vision mirror, as you can see. Sunroof. You can have it right open. It's an auto sunroof as well, so you only have to hit the button once. Tilts as well, show you that right now. So that's the sunroof for you guys. One thing I like about the VE that I don't like about the VF, which is this one, that's the roof lining. The roof lining in most of the VEs were black, and unfortunately with the VF they unfortunately changed it to beige, unfortunately. Same with the interior trimmings here, and the A, B and C pillars, and the grab handles, and the sun visors too. I wonder why they did that. Map reading lights. So it's a 6-speed manual transmission. This has the T6060 6-speed manual transmission. Same gearbox used in the XR6 Turbo Limited Edition, guys. This is the full review for the XR6 Turbo Limited Edition. Please make sure you go and check that video out. Thank you. It's got your electronic parking brake. You can turn your rear parking sensors off. You can auto park assist, because this car parks itself. And traction control, which you must always turn off in a performance car. Yep, that's off, just show you that. So that's back on, and it's off again. So 12-volt socket here, as you can see. It's got your leather wrapped gear knob and your leather gear boot. Not sure how great the cup holders are, but in the FG Falcon, so I'm talking about the Ford, in that car the cup holders are terrible, and if you take a corner way too fast, your drink will go spilling all over the passenger seat. I haven't done the cup holder test in the VF Commodore yet, so I can't answer you that question on whether the cup holders in the VF Commodore are good or bad. Red stitching, as you can see. You've got 12-volt socket, USB, AUX, key charger. So slots in there, as you can see. Charges your key in case of a flat battery. It's got your dual zone electronic climate control. So I'm on low and my passenger is on 21. So you can adjust the fan speed, and you've got direction of air as well. CD player for those people who still like CDs. Here's your starter button just here, as you can see. You've got your lever up here. That was a quick example of this 9-speaker Bose premium audio for you guys. Didn't leave it up long because firstly, copyright reasons, and secondly, this car, because of the cam in this car, it shakes a lot. I also reviewed a cammed HSV V Maloo as well, which you would have seen on Monday, Sunday the 22nd of January 2023, as I film this video, and you won't see this video go live on my YouTube channel until Friday the 27th of January 2023, the day after Australia Day. So your buttons here, as you can see, you can save favourites as well. So that's favourite saved. So now playing, navigation, phone, AM, FM, Pandora, which is no longer available in Australia, Stitcher, DVD, USB, AUX, Bluetooth, rear AUX, tone, config, destination, quick info. So that's your sat nav here, as you can see. Gives me the whole map of Gympie. You can zoom out too and you can see a whole map of the world. So you can have the map and have it tell you what's playing at the same time. You've got destination, address entry, points of interest, previous destinations, address book, phone book, selects from map, my home, favourite routes. That one's hard to pronounce, and travel guide. So address entry, you've also got points of interest, so it will take you to a hotel, motel, restaurant, your favourite Holden dealership. It takes you absolutely everywhere, this sat nav, and it's got live traffic updates as well. As you can see, that's the points of interest. Config, so you can change the settings of the vehicle. You can go AM if you want to listen to Slim Dusty. You can pair phone. And it's also got your carbon fibre on the steering wheel as well. As you can see, it's a flat bottomed perforated leather steering wheel with your red stitching. It's got your electric power steering. It's a tiny little bit vague. You can turn the infotainment system off completely, and the days and the time is set wrong. But it is not Saturday the 24th of September 2016. That was 6 years ago now. And again, it's the 23rd, it's the 22nd of January 2023 as I film this video, and you won't see it on YouTube until Friday the 27th of January 2023, the day after Australia Day. Round here, it's got your blind spot alert, so when that blind spot alert lights up yellow, it tells you it is not safe to merge. because there's another car in your path. Central locking, you can lock the car from the inside. Give you an example of that right now. So, say you're in a city like Brisbane, for instance, and you are stuck in a traffic jam and you didn't feel safe. You could lock the car to stop people from breaking in, so you feel safer from it. Show the logbook. This car goes to car shows as well because he's got that in there as well. Most cars at car shows will have that because people are extremely protective about their cars. This car came with a roadworthy as well. So, this car was purchased as a used car from Pacific on the Sunshine Coast. So it's this one there this car came from, used. Your certificates of authenticity for the Walkinshaw 310 pack. So where did this car come from brand new? So it was purchased on the 29th of May 2014 from Zups Holden. Here are the services. First service done 31st of July 2014 when it had 2,493 kilometers. Second service done 25th of February 2015, 15,797. Third service done 12th of October 2015 at Caloundra City Autos, where I filmed that Maloo and that red ute. 25,778. $30,419 kilometers on the 19th of April 2016. I've lost counts of the services, so I apologize for that. And 30th of November 2016, 39,697 done at Medill's Holden here in Gympie. Of course, they're not open anymore, Medill Holden, because Holdens aren't being made anymore. Last service, so other service done 22nd of March 2018, 49,698. This car must have been serviced through Walkinshaw as well, because there's no more services in that logbook dating back from 2018. So, I'm sorry I can't get that out for you guys, so I apologize for that. Give you a listen to that exhaust. So, that's the exhaust here. You can give it one more if you want. Thank you. Go. Thank you. I'll show you. I didn't go too high because the owner revved it for me. Stay quiet for a few more seconds and see whether you can notice the shake. It might not come up well on camera, but it definitely shakes when this car's running. This is today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace out. We're off for a quick drive in this Commodore, guys.
No, fine.
Neither do we want to put any grass on this immaculate carpet.
My window down so you can hear it.